front-facing camera. Like you can see with the regular smartphone, it is a bit wider. It will overexpose the sky. That's the difference. But when I'm out of the frame, it will correct itself very quickly because it wants to brighten up my face. Is my face brighter? I think it is. All right. Do you have autofocus in front-facing camera? They both in 4K 30. Yes and no. And that's the difference. Why do you need autofocus in front-facing camera? For example, if I wanted to show you a leaf in great details and blurry. Details and blurry. That's why you need that auto focus. All right, what about wide angle lens? The flip phone doesn't have wide angle lens, only the main lens. So that is a huge difference. It only has 2 lenses instead of 3. So what do we need to do is,
because it was too windy, I wanted to add a little bit of a voice over. Video stabilization works great in both of them. Optical image stabilization. Vlogging style, if you're going to vlog from those smartphones, this is how it's going to look like from the main lens. A wider view from the edge. X is the same, but different brand, different name. Different countries, yeah. Telephoto. Of course, the edge has a periscope zoom, so it looks better. And let's continue. And of course, autofocus from the main lens, and both of them very quick. But I don't think anyone cares about the video, so let's see photo.
conclusion, overall, flip is a better camera. Better camera for pictures, for social media, for overall experience. But if you are a video aficionado and you need that super wide angle, you're vlogging, video, streaming, and super macro in the video department, that the X Edge is for you. This is the same smartphone, but X in China, Edge in Europe. It's also the same. So there you go. Link in the description for both of them. Both great. I prefer flip phone, which looks better, feels fantastic, looks different than any other smartphone, and I like that. I like different. Link in the description with additional discount code for you. See you next video.